we'll guide you through how to install DaVinci Resolve plugins. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once it's up and running, head over to the top menu and click on the DaVinci Resolve tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the Media Storage tab. This is where you can manage your plugins and other assets. You'll see an option labeled OpenFX Install Path, or something similar. Click on the Browse button next to it. Now, navigate to the folder where your plugin files are located. Make sure you have already downloaded the plugins you want to install. If not, you can find them on the developer's website or a trusted plugin marketplace. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Open to set it as the install path. Now, head back to the main interface of DaVinci Resolve. Click on the Effects library, which is usually located on the top left corner of the interface. In the Effects library, you should see a section called OpenFX. Click on it, and you will find all the installed plugins listed there. If your plugins don't appear immediately, you might need to restart DaVinci Resolve for the changes to take effect. Remember, some plugins might require you to input a license key or activate them after installation, so be sure to follow any additional instructions provided by the plugin developer. That's it. Now you can start using your newly installed plugins in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.